Are your grey hair choices secretly adding years to your look? In 2026, some popular grey trends can make mature women look harsher or older than they need to. Today, I'm breaking down the grey hair mistakes to avoid and showing you how to keep your look modern, confident, and elegant after 60. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to skip and why subtle changes in tone, cut, and styling make all the difference. Let's dive into the trends that aren't serving us and what to focus on instead. Starting off with harsh silver hair. One of the most noticeable grey hair trends in 2026 is the ultra-bright, icy silver. While this shade is bold, striking, and very eye-catching, on mature skin it can have the opposite effect. Instead of softening features, it can highlight fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture, which can make the hair appear harsher rather than polished or refined. The brightness of this silver can also make hair feel flat and heavy, particularly if the haircut does not include movement, layers, or subtle shaping. Many women over 50 notice that stark silver can weigh down the hair visually, making it look lifeless or stiff even when it is healthy. If the color is too bright or too icy, it can age the overall appearance rather than refresh it. Choosing a softer, more blended silver allows the hair to catch and reflect light naturally, creating dimension and softness. This approach results in a modern, elegant, and balanced finish that enhances facial features instead of overpowering them, giving grey hair a polished, luminous, and effortless look that feels intentional and sophisticated. Shifting to a softer approach with blended grey tones can make hair feel lighter, more youthful, and more elegant, letting your features shine without competing with the color. Many of the trending cuts in 2026 focus on precision with one-length styles, where the hair falls straight and uniform all around. On grey hair, this can create a heavy, flat appearance that lacks movement and dimension. For women over 50, these cuts often draw attention away from natural facial features instead of enhancing them. Hair can feel stiff or lifeless, and without gentle shaping or layering, it may emphasize areas you would rather soften, such as the jawline, cheeks, or temples. One-length cuts also make fine grey hair appear thinner because there is no layering to provide natural lift or fullness. Over time, this can make the style feel dated rather than polished, no matter how shiny or healthy the hair itself is. Adding softness to the edges or subtle internal layers allows hair to flow naturally, creating volume, movement, and a more flattering frame for the face. Adding gentle layers or soft shaping immediately brings lightness to the hair. It lifts the style, balances facial features, and creates a more natural, youthful flow that feels polished but effortless. One of the more noticeable grey hair trends in 2026 is warm grey tones that lean toward gold, copper, or even slightly orange hues. While these shades can look trendy, playful, and fun on younger faces, on mature skin they often clash with cooler undertones, which are common in women over 50. This mismatch can unintentionally draw attention to uneven texture, age spots, fine lines, or areas where the skin shows natural changes, making the overall appearance feel heavier and older rather than polished, fresh, and modern. Warm or brassy grey tones can also mute the natural luminosity of silver hair, causing it to look dull or flat. When these warmer shades are paired with flat cuts or hair that lacks layers, the hair can begin to feel dry, lifeless, or stiff, even if it is healthy. The most important consideration is how the tone works with your natural skin color, your facial features, and the overall style of your haircut, rather than simply following the trend of the moment. Choosing a softer, more balanced grey creates a sense of harmony, adds subtle dimension, and lets the hair reflect light naturally. This approach ensures grey hair feels sophisticated, intentional, and elegant, enhancing your features instead of overpowering them, while avoiding the harsh or dated look that can come from overly warm or brassy tones. Soft, balanced blends help grey hair feel intentional and harmonious. When the tone complements your natural colouring, it lifts the entire look and creates a modern, elegant finish. Root shadows and contrast colouring have become very popular in 2026 because they can add depth, dimension, and a sense of style to any haircut. The challenge comes when the contrast between the roots and the rest of the hair is too sharp or dramatic. On grey hair, this can create a patchy or uneven appearance, making the hairstyle feel unfinished rather than polished and refined. For women over 50, stark root contrasts often draw attention to areas you might prefer to soften, such as thinning spots, uneven texture, or natural variations in hair growth. When this happens, the hair can appear dull, heavy, or flat, instead of vibrant, healthy, and luminous. Excessive contrast also competes with the hair's natural movement, making it more difficult to maintain a cohesive, elegant look. Paying close attention to blending and creating soft, gradual transitions between the roots and the rest of the hair produces a smoother, more harmonious finish. This subtle approach allows natural shine to stand out, enhances the hair's texture, and ensures that grey hair feels intentional, flattering, and sophisticated rather than harsh or unfinished. Subtle blending between roots and lengths creates a smooth, modern appearance. It allows grey hair to reflect light naturally, softens the face, and maintains a polished, effortless look that works beautifully for women over 50. One of the most common mistakes in 2026 grey hair trends is skipping face framing layers. Hair that falls in a straight, one-length line can make features appear harsher or heavier, particularly on mature faces. Without layers, hair often sits flat against the face, drawing attention to areas like the jawline or cheekbones in a way that does not feel flattering. This can make even healthy grey hair look stiff or lifeless, and it can age the overall appearance more than necessary. Gentle layers around the face add soft movement and natural lift, allowing hair to flow in a way that feels light, airy, and elegant. They also help balance facial features, highlight your best angles, and create a more youthful impression. Layers give grey hair dimension, prevent it from looking flat, and make everyday styling easier while keeping the overall look fresh, polished, and sophisticated. Even small adjustments in layering or shape can make a big difference. By softening the edges and adding movement, your grey hair instantly looks more modern and effortless. Textured cuts are extremely popular in 2026, and when done correctly, they can add beautiful movement, dimension, and life to grey hair, making it look vibrant, stylish, and modern. The volume and lift that texture provides can completely transform a style, giving grey hair a sense of freshness and vitality that is both flattering and effortless. The challenge comes when texturing is overdone or layers are cut too aggressively, leaving hair choppy or uneven. For women over 50, too much texture can make grey hair appear frizzy, dry, or unruly, drawing attention away from the hair's natural softness and shine. Overly aggressive layering can also exaggerate signs of aging, making fine lines, uneven texture, or thinning areas more noticeable than they actually are. In some cases, excessive texture can make a haircut feel chaotic or unfinished, rather than polished and intentional. The goal with texturing should always be subtle, thoughtful, and intentional. Soft, controlled layers enhance the hair's natural flow and movement, adding volume in the right places while keeping the overall look refined. Texturing done well allows grey hair to feel light, airy, and sophisticated, giving it a modern, effortless appearance that complements mature facial features. Balanced texture with controlled volume brings life to grey hair without compromising elegance. Subtle layers create movement and softness that complement mature features, making the overall look feel refined and effortlessly modern. Grey hair naturally reflects light differently than pigmented hair, which is why proper care is so important for maintaining a vibrant and youthful appearance. Over time, without the right treatments, moisturizing products, or shine-enhancing routines, grey hair can begin to look dull, dry, or even straw-like. This effect can make even a beautifully cut or styled haircut feel flat, heavy, and immediately dated. Many women over 50 notice that grey hair loses its natural radiance, especially if they skip occasional treatments, leave-in conditioners, or products that boost shine and softness. When hair lacks luster, it can appear lifeless, highlighting texture irregularities or uneven strands that would otherwise be subtle. On the other hand, healthy grey hair with a gentle, natural sheen catches light beautifully, giving the style a polished, vibrant, and sophisticated finish. Shine softens the overall appearance of the face, creating a more youthful, balanced impression while enhancing the elegance of mature features. Proper care also strengthens the hair shaft, preventing brittleness, breakage, and split ends, which makes everyday styling smoother and ensures that each haircut maintains a clean, intentional, and effortless look. Now that you know the grey hair trends to avoid in 2026, how will you update your own style to feel more modern, polished, and elegant? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, you will definitely love watching this next one.